Hey Dals, I wanted to make this intro a little bit different today. I wanted to start making daily affirmations. So this daily affirmation to yourself: stay true to yourself and never change for nobody.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey Dals, welcome back to another video. It's me, your Briana Marie, and tuning into a tutorial. This tutorial is going to be on this gold look. I've been trying to upload, but I just found my memory card, so I couldn't give it to y'all because I couldn't find my memory card. But here it is. Nonetheless, everybody was asking how I do my eyebrows. Girl, get it right. I'm stumbling on my words. How I do my eyebrows, and y'all love the new brows. Y'all seem to love them. The only difference is they were very thin back then, and now I use a lighter hand. So what I'm doing now is filling in my brows, but prior to it I did go ahead and use clear brow gel from Benefit, laminating my brows upwards. That's what you want to do to get that sparse eyebrow look and not back, if you get what I'm saying. So laminate those brows up. It'll give a bigger brow, but if you don't want a bigger brow, just laminate it up in the front and then go with your natural brow hairs towards the back area. But I did go ahead and powder them once the clear brow gel is dry, and then I went ahead with these two products from Plouise. It's a BROWTIFUL product, that's the name of it, BROWTIFUL, in the shade Mochaccino and Espresso. I used Espresso towards the back and then Mochaccino in the front. And then I just basically used hair like strokes. It's like a dip brow pomade, but with a dip brow pomade, it's in a pan, like those things. Y'all get what I'm saying. It's not a squeezy tube, but I like the squeezy tube better because it just comes right out on the hand. I did go ahead and conceal my brows, and I concealed it with Fawn from Ellie Girl and a little bit of tan deep sand. Now I'm going with my base. Y'all go ahead and shop Bfiercebeauty. If y'all haven't heard, I did launch a beauty line, and yeah, my products is now available, y'all. And thank y'all so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. So now I'm going with this palette, and I love this palette. Look at the neutral shades in this palette. And I'm taking my Bdellium Tools brush. It's a flat brush from Bdellium Tools. All the brushes will be in the description right below. And I'm taking this on the outer part. I love a round shape eyeshadow look, and I'm just tapping that on the outer part. Now I am taking a fluffy brush and tapping that color from the Juvias Place Zulu palette. Like, I don't understand. Juvias Place should make a single eyeshadow of that color. Like, that color should be single. They should make single eyeshadows so that people can pick up their favorite color. Because baby, most definitely I would pick up that color out of the Zulu palette. That's like the most used color that everybody uses. So I'm just putting that right on top of this darker shade, and it just goes with everything. It's a good second color transition, a good one eyeshadow transition. Like, that color is so universal. You could use it with anything, okay? Color shadow, brown shadow, black and brown. Like, oh, that with black, yes, that color is everything. So if y'all don't have that Zulu palette, go get it and use Marie to get some money off, y'all. Y'all know I stay promoting my code, okay? I work to Juvia's Place. So yeah, just blend, 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 and you know you have to go back in and blend some more, because you have to go back in with that first shade to blend into the second shade. First eyeshadow that I was using was BPerfect Cosmetics Born Ready, the Kelly collection. Yep. And then I used the shade Penny for the first shade that I tapped on my lid. I love UK makeup. Like, they have some bomb makeup, and it's so pigmented. So go check out BPerfect as well. I will leave their link in the description right below too. So yeah, I'm just blending, just doing what I do. And now I'm taking my 142 concealer buffer brush that I used to blend out my base with. I'm putting some more of my base down just to open up that lid a little bit more so that I can apply this beautiful shade. This is from the Manifest palette from BPerfect. I love this palette. All the colors in this palette are beautiful. I'm trying to open it right now to give y'all the shade, but it's so pretty. So basically just tap out the lid to open it up to give more space so that you can apply your lid color down. But these colors in this palette are so Beautiful. That's coming up next. And this is the gold right here that I'm tapping down. That's called HIYALOVE, and it's so gorgeous, y'all. Look at that color. Beautiful. I don't know, something about this palette, you can create so many looks with both of these, like everything. And then now I'm going in with this other color out of the palette. It is called BPB. Yeah, I think it's BPB, and I'm going in with that color, and I am closing in that outer corner so that everything can be blended, and it's beautiful. Like I said, I just love UK makeup. Now the wing, baby, I snapped on this wing, y'all. I need to zoom in a little bit closer on this wing, but I snapped. So you're gonna draw a line on the lid first, and then you're gonna draw a line towards the lower lash line on up towards the tip of the brow, and then you're gonna draw it down, connecting it to that line that you drew on the lid, if that makes sense. And then you're gonna fill it in. It depends on the person. You can go as thick as you want, you can go as small as you want, but my eyelids like fold and they crease in certain areas, so that's why I make my wing so dramatic and big. Because when I make a small wing, sometimes I don't know, you really can't see the wing, so I want my wing to be seen, and I'm gonna make it big. So that's what I did, y'all. And yeah, that's what I did. And at the end, we're gonna go in the inner corner. Yes, wing is snatched, baby, and put a wing in there as well. But that we're gonna do that towards the end. However, I just want to talk base on what's going on the rest of the day. Like, I don't know. I don't want to just say it. Like, everybody is like passing away. Like, for real. Like, everybody's passing away, and I most commonly see it's either suicide or it's drug abuse. Like, people are passing away because of drugs. Like, but times are really hard, y'all. People get stressed out here, and it's just things behind the scene that you just don't know what be going on. You know, some people don't tell their business, but I don't know. It's just crazy. Like, the world today, it's just, like I said, I keep stating, it has been really bad since COVID happened. Like, and I wish COVID never happened, because I feel like things will be going on still, like the same thing how it was before, and it's just not that anymore. Like, I don't know. But I advise to go talk to a therapist. I'm telling myself this too, because things I have been getting rough. Like, I get depressed as well. Like, me sitting here thinking like, damn, I feel like I'm starting from square root again. Like, I'm starting over. Like, especially with this YouTube channel, like, I'm starting over. I don't see the people that I see anymore that support. You know, I see a few, but it's just like, dang. It's crazy how stuff be happening. But, you know, talking to people, talking to a therapist is needed. It's needed. And then, you know, you got stuff going on in the house that just be adding on to more of that. Like, and it just sucks, man. And I'm just ready to be in a better position where I can just be free and just give content. Like, and I'm not in that position at the moment. So, yeah. That's why you don't see consistency, and I don't want that. I want consistency in my work. I want to be able to be creative in a creative space, and I feel like I can't do that because there's just so much negativity and not enough positivity around me, if you get what I'm saying. Too much thinking, too much of my hair hurting. But I'm not gonna do well on it. But I did go ahead and apply some lashes from the UK. These were from BPerfect Cosmetics. Like I said, I will leave the link in the description right below. And then now I'm applying foundation. I did go ahead and I mixed MACOA and New Caledonia together to get this shade. And I'm going to start doing that because I feel like New Caledonia is a little too dark for me, but I don't mind it being dark. However, I think that is the perfect match, MACOA and New Caledonia. Now I'm taking Tan Deep Sand in Deep for my highlight. And like I said, once again, makeup has changed. This is the routine that I do, but I got a new one, y'all. So a new foundation routine is coming up. It's not this one, but let me tell y'all, I'm an extra snatched look. Okay, so that video is gonna come up next, but I did go ahead and take 10 deep sanding deep and spray, and now I'm just looking like, you know, I like my concealer. I like it bright still, but not too bright, but like a soft bright. If y'all seen Lachey tutorials, like I love her brown skin girls when she be doing them. Like, yes, but I still like my highlight just a little bit lighter. I'm into the not so bright highlight no more. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know when I make my eyes like real bright. I just love it. I don't know. It's just makeup. You know, you do anything with makeup. It's so versatile. You do whatever you want. You can use a black pencil. You can use a red pencil. You can use a rainbow. You could do rainbow eyebrows. It's just whatever you want. It's your type of style. So, you know what I'm saying? Everybody gravitates towards different things. And you just be yourself and do whatever you want. But now I am blending this out. I did let it dry a little bit, but I just sprayed it so that it can basically reactivate. I love doing the nose part. The nose part is my favorite because, like, before I did put that nose contour on and the highlight, it just was not snatched, but it's snatched. Like I said, once again too, I am going to come out with another basic series, but I'm going to redo it because I did come out with another basic series and y'all loved it. However, it wasn't that many videos, and I wanted to be more videos of basics, you know, starting off with the brows, starting off with the liner, the how to do a simple eyeshadow tutorial, like what's new in for simple looks. You know, those brown beats are definitely in. Everybody does those, how to spice up a brown makeup look. And for bronzer, I just went ahead and went in with the Fenty bronzer, and I've been into bronzer for a long time. I've been bronzing my face for so long. I never use contour anymore, and honestly I have to start using contour again because I feel like that's what's gonna get it snatched, but only in those cheek areas. So I'm bronzing my face, and I also went ahead and took the Juvia's Place dark palette and just used the darker shade in there, but it's gonna give it that bronzy look, and it's not gonna give it, it's chiseled but it's not too chiseled as contour gets it. I remember I stopped using contour, and only because it just made me look more draggish. I don't know if that's you understand, but yeah, that's why I stopped using contour. But now I'm going back to it. I don't care. So yeah, I'm doing my under eyes. I'm just basically smudging that brown underneath, and I am going to put blank canvas in my waterline, but just smoke out the bottom line with that brown. This look was very, very pretty. And yeah, y'all, I was going to say something else, but I totally forgot what I was about to say. But I love this look. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I had to upload this. And yeah, y'all, oh, let me know what looks y'all want me to do. And also, I'm still trying to think of what I was gonna say, but it's just on the tip of my tongue. But yeah, I did go ahead and put mascara down below. This is some good mascara, and I suggest, not advise, I suggest that y'all go get it. It's from MAC. It is a tiny little brush, and it gets right on those little hairs down below. I'm dusting this powder off, and yeah, y'all, let me know what makeup y'all want to see. Let me know if y'all like the vlogs. I'm trying to think of what I was going to say. Hold on. I don't even know what I was going to say. But okay, I'm not going to dwell on it. I did go ahead and use my brown lip liner for my line. I am not in stock in those at the moment, but I will be soon. And I went ahead with Nova Beauty lip liner in the shade Coral 1. And now I am going, no, it's red one, sorry, not Coral. Then I put this orange lip gloss on. I mean, I was feeling that, but I like my nude better, so I switched back to nude. But anyways, y'all, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Comment down below, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.